Hello dearies, my name is Avril Grace and we welcome you to Tour Ghana. Tour Ghana is proudly sponsored by Ghana Mamonsori, Edufa TV and Fix Ghana. In this episode, we are taking you to the Bono East region of Ghana, the Fuller Waterfalls. The Fuller Waterfalls is located in the suburb of Kintampo, Yabraso, 7 kilometers west of Kintampo in the Bono East region of Ghana. The Fuller Waterfalls is estimated terrain elevation above sea level of 173 meters. This is where you and your family and your loved ones can swim and have fun to appreciate the beauty of nature and healing. The Fuller Waterfalls provides a serene and a cold pool surrounded with seats made of concrete and rocks. From the basin, the Fuller Waterfalls moves directly down to the Black Volta, which also disappears from the ground mysteriously. Tour Ghana entreats all tourists, both home and abroad, to come visit the Fuller Waterfalls, located in the Bono East region of Ghana. To sponsor our tour events, kindly contact us on the numbers on the screen.